and today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Today you're going to need flour, salt, eggs, baking powder, vanilla, white chocolate chips or just regular chocolate chips, brown sugar, and 2 mixing bowls, butter and something to mix with, and a mixer. So once you have your hands washed and your hair pulled up and an apron on and your oven preset to 375, you can begin baking. So step 1, combine 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl. So now that you've mixed your flour, your salt, and your baking soda all in here, it will look like this. And you will get your hand mixer and you'll apply the mixers. And you'll do it just at about 1. So now that you have combined your flour mixture, it should look like this. You put it aside and you grab your large bowl and you can start. Step 2. Now you will combine the 3/4 cups of sugar, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and the 2 sticks of butter, or 1 cup. So now you have your brown sugar. You have to make sure it's well packed. Then you can place in your butter mixture. Now you can start mixing. So now that you've beaten all of your mixtures, this is what it should look like. Now you can start beating in your eggs. Step 3. Now you get 2 large eggs and you crack them in a separate bowl. Now you can begin to mix. So now that you've beaten your eggs, you have a nice butter mixture. This is what your butter mixture should look like. Step 4. Now you gradually add the flour mixture into the butter mixture. You just put about 1/2 cup into it and you begin to use the hand mixer. So once you have your first flour combination, you just mix it up and you just keep adding another 1/2 cup into the flour mixture, and you keep repeating this until all the flour is gone. So now that you have added all your flour mixture and it's all gone, and you've mixed it well, it should look like this, a little bit frothy. Step 5, stir in your chocolates and or the nuts. I don't have nuts today, I'm only going to do chocolate. Step 5, stir in the chocolates and the white chocolates. What you can do is you can put the chocolate in all of the mixture, and then you can separate a little bit and mix in the white. You don't have to use white, but I'm going to use white today. So now you're going to add in all the chocolates, which is 2 cups or just 1 bag. Now you're going to mix with the mixer. So now that you've mixed in the chocolate chips, this is what it should look like. You can begin to add the white chocolate chips or the nuts. But first you need to separate it and put it into a separate bowl. You can divide it just into half and put it into probably the small bowl that you use so you don't have to get another one dirty. So now that you have it right here, you can divide your chocolate chips. So I have about 1 cup, I'm going to add it to my chocolate mixture. Now you begin to mix with the hand mixer. So now that you've mixed in your white chocolate chips and or nuts, it will look like this. Here is a better close-up. So now you have your white chocolate chip and regular chocolate chip mixture, and then you have your regular chocolate chip mixture. Step 6. Now you get preferably a rounded tablespoon, or you can just get a normal spoon. You're going to place it onto an ungreased pan. It can just be a little messy ball. You're going to repeat this until you're all done with the cookie dough. And preferably it is about 1 inch apart so that when it melts, it doesn't mush together. Now that you have your cookie pressed onto your pan, you can begin to put it into the oven. Now you can put your cookies into the oven. Of course, using oven mitts. And you're going to let these sit for about 9 to 11 minutes. First, you want to put it in for 9 minutes and then check on it to see if it's okay. So once you get your cookies out of the oven, you're going to put them on the cooling rack. You're just going to use a fork or spatula. You're just going to set them there. And you're just going to leave it there for about 2 minutes. And that's all you need to do. Enjoy!